Khalees Kane. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support. If you are here for the first time, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell for updates every time I upload a new video. Today, I will show you how I transplanted my overgrown Rhaphidophora Tetrasperma and how I place a moss pole to help it trail up. Although Rhaphidophora Tetrasperma has been in the market for a while now, some people still doesn't realize how awesome this houseplant is. So let's get started. This beauty has been outside, so I have to make sure it is free of pests or insects. Spray it abundantly, paying attention to the back of the leaves where most insects hide. Let it drain and dry out. I have this DIY moss pole. Wait for my tutorial about how to make one. I already estimated the height before making it, so I'm good to go. Slowly remove the old pot. As you can see, the pot is almost root bound. Squeeze and remove most of the old potting soil. Add potting soil at the bottom of the pot. Make sure your pots have good drainage. Now I'm ready to place the plant in its new home with new fresh mixture of Miracle-Gro potting soil, Miracle-Gro orchid potting mix. I mixed equal amount of each and added some Miracle-Gro perlite. It's my own way of making this soil medium for good drainage and moisture retention. While adding the soil mixture, I can place the moss pole all the way to the bottom of the pot and pack the soil so it will be very stable. I cut one of the stems to let it grow new stems from the bottom and make the plant fuller. I used green jute twine to tie the plant. Cut some small pieces enough to go around the pole and the stem. I used the stem that I cut to propagate new plants. Cut each stem in between nodes. I can do water propagation or plant them directly in the soil. I also changed the moss pole of my Monstera adansonii. It's been a while and it's already growing tall. There you go, folks. 4 weeks after, they are growing beautifully and healthy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something from this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please do share with your friends and family. Before I end this video, I want to give a shout out to all Cadusa Premier Support Group. Thank you guys. Let's keep improving and enjoy blogging. This is Kalis Kane. See you in my next video.